Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to download and install WhatsApp Business app. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Also, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified each time we post. So, let's get started. First, open Google Play Store. Then you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type WhatsApp Business using the keyboard. As you type, you'll see search result appear below. Look for WhatsApp Business app icon. Tap the install button. You'll see the app has been installing. So, meanwhile, if you are wondering what is the difference between WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, then WhatsApp is for personal communication while WhatsApp Business is designed for businesses to interact with customer and offer additional business oriented features. So, now you can see my WhatsApp Business has been installed. You can also see the WhatsApp Business app on my mobile screen. So, this is it for the tutorial. I hope this was helpful and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.